Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program BSc B.Ed 6M, Session Preparation of Phenol. Now we discuss first preparation of reaction of sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid with NaOH. Now we discuss sodium benzene sulfonate on fusion with strong alkaline like NaOH at 300 degree Celsius gives sodium phenoxide, which on treatment with HCl gives phenols. These reactions are given below. Benzene sulfonate react with NaOH in alkaline, convert to sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide further react with HCl, convert to phenols plus NaCl. Next preparation of phenol are basic hydrolysis of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is hydrolysis by heating with 10% NaOH and 360 degree Celsius temperature under high pressure to form sodium phenoxide, which on heating with HCl gives phenol. Chlorobenzene is hydrolysis convert to phenol. This process is known as Dawn's process. Next preparation of phenols are preparation of phenol form as aryl diazonium salt. The aryl diazonium salt are prepared by reactions of aryl amine with nitrous acid. Aryl amine या aniline react with HNO2 and 0 degree Celsius temperature convert to benzene diazonium salt. The benzene diazonium salt can be converted into phenol using H2O and H2SO4. The benzene diazonium salt react with concentrate H2SO4, convert to phenols. Difference between alcohols and phenols. Alcohols OH groups is attached to the alkyl groups, but phenols OH groups attached to an alkyl aryl groups. Alcohol hydroxyl derivative of alkanes, but phenols hydroxyl derivative of benzene. The alcohols the compound in which one hydrogen of water is replaced by the alkyl group, but phenol the compound in which one hydrogen of water is replaced by the aryl groups. Alcohols general formula are ROH, but phenols are general formula C6H5OH. The alcohol is lower alcohol are colorless liquid, but phenols colorless crystalline solid, melting point 41 degree Celsius. The pK alcohol is pK value 16 to 20, but phenols are pK value equal to 10. So alcohol is less acidic, but phenols is more acidic. Alcohol react in two waves: reactions in carbon-oxygen bond break and reactions with oxygen-hydrogen bond break. But phenolate ions has resonate structure, but alcohols do not have resonating structure. Clear? The difference between alcohol and phenols and its preparation. Thank you.